Whether you're starting a new school year or a new semester, here are a couple tips to easily find your courses in your Schoology account. First tip, your Schoology account when you log in will default to your recent activity homepage. Your other option is to have it go to your course dashboard, which lists all of your courses. I would recommend switching to have this course dashboard as your default page. To do this, go to the top right-hand corner, select your name drop-down, and then select Settings. Under Settings, scroll down to the bottom under Other Options, where you will set your homepage to your course dashboard and then save changes. Now when you log in, you will immediately see all of your courses listed. Looking at your courses, you'll see probably duplicate course names. PowerSchool creates courses, and then your teacher will create your actual course shell. We will not use the PowerSchool created courses. How can you tell the difference? There's a couple different ways. You may have a couple PowerSchool created courses where your teacher has gone in and put a thumbnail either saying do not use, disregard, or ignore this course. Or you may just see the default thumbnail, but you'll know that it's a PowerSchool created course because it will not start with ARS. Your actual courses will all start with ARS and the current school year. So I know that this course down here that says ARS 25-26 is the current course. I want those courses at the top so I know to go to them when I'm doing my schoolwork. One way to get these organized is to click, hold, and drag them to the top. When you drag them to the top, you can order them however you would like, and this will also put them in priority when you do the course preview pane. If you're having difficulty clicking, holding, and dragging them, maybe you're using an iPad, you can also go to the Courses drop-down button. This is also where you'll see a quick preview of your courses. When you're in this preview pane, in the right-hand corner, it'll say My Courses. Select that option, and then click the gray button that says Reorder Courses. This will now allow you to see it a little bit smaller so that you can select, hold, and order them however you would like. So you want to put all of your actual courses, remember, that start with ARS 25-26 towards the top. You may want to have your homeroom be the first or last course that you have in this reordering.